calories per bite. By eating a banana, you can indulge your sweet tooth without ruining your waistline or your health. Bananas. Energy boost. Eating only 2 bananas will give your body enough fuel to exercise or work out for an hour and a half. Bananas are also ideal for eating during that midday lull when you feel tired or sluggish. So forget the caffeine concoctions or sugary candy. Bananas provide a level of energy that lasts longer without the dramatic crash caused by caffeine. The power of potassium. Because they are rich in potassium, bananas help the body's circulatory system deliver oxygen to the brain. This also aids the body in maintaining a regular heartbeat and a proper balance of water within the body. Potassium is also helpful for the reducing of the likelihood of strokes and regulating blood pressure because of the way it promotes circulatory health. The potassium in bananas also assists in the prevention of muscle cramps after exercise. Banana bowels? Bananas help to end constipation. The fiber within bananas promotes the restoration and maintenance of regular bowel functions. Toss out the laxatives, which likely have chemicals or other synthetic substances in them, and instead, grab a few sweet, ripe, spotted bananas. Bananas can lift your spirits. Bananas have an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan is necessary for the production of serotonin, a mood-regulating substance, which contributes to the feelings of relaxation and happiness. According to BananaSaver.com, people suffering from depression often reported feeling better after eating a banana. Bananas are rich in iron.